Midlands community continues to mourn the loss of the beloved Mr. Knows-It, Joe Pinner. As the holiday season was always a very special time of year for him, WIS is honoring his memory in a special way. Every year, Papa Joe was known for ringing the bell at the Red Kettle for the Salvation Army. So WIS is hosting a day of bell ringing in his honor. This will happen Monday, December 23rd at the Sam's Club on Forest Drive. WIS talent will be out there from 10 in the morning to 8 in the evening, and we invite all of you to stop by and join us in honoring Mr. Knows-It. You can scan the QR code on your screen if you want to make a donation to the Salvation Army in an effort to help those in need this holiday season.